Aubrey, and I finally found out how to do the cheerlead of Open Up the Barnyard. So, here I go. Can't see my head. Okay. Open up. Ugh, stupid. Sorry. Open up the barnyard, kick out the hay. We're cheerleaders of the USA. Turn on the radio, what do you hear? Elementary students are here to cheer. We're gonna G-H-T, we're gonna G-H-T, we're gonna G-H-T, we're gonna fight for victory. So, I found that out just by watching some videos, and then I'm like, that's how my friend to do it, because I saw my friend make one of those videos, and she's in the cheerleading group, so I'm like, that has to be the way we gotta do it. So, hope you enjoy.